Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork pastil updated. Start by simmering pork until very tender, then shred finely while toasting soaked rice into crunchy flakes. Season the pork with garlic, onion, pepper, and a splash of soy for savory depth. Assemble on banana leaf, add rice flakes, wrap tightly, and steam or bake until heated through and fragrant for best results. Gather ingredients first so the process flows smoothly and nothing gets missed. Use pork shoulder for shredding, banana leaves for wrapping, and toasted rice flakes for texture contrast. Chop aromatics fine and have soy and pepper ready to season gradually. Once the pork is tender, reduce liquid and shred, then taste and adjust seasoning before assembling each pastil on the banana leaf to ensure balance and consistency. Start by simmering pork low and slow until it's falling apart and the liquid is flavorful but reduced. Shred the meat finely and return to the pan to blend in seasonings and toasted rice flakes for texture. Spoon portions onto banana leaves, fold and seal each pastil, then steam or bake until heated through and fragrant. Let them rest briefly before serving so flavors settle and the leaf stays intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.